How you doing? Patrick P. Lewis here for Ormex.com. Today is April 15, 2013, and it was a big sell-off today. GLD went down $125 and SLV went down as $23. Big sell-off. Why? We talked about this on Friday. The sell-off started beginning on Friday, and over the weekend the markets was closed. But last week we got bad news from Goldman Sachs, and basically they told everyone to sell off. You know, they lowered their expectations for the future price for GLD. Cyprus, the people from Cyprus, because of their financial situation, they have to deal with the bailout, and they're probably going to sell their gold, which they have 10 tons of it. That didn't help the market. Now, in my opinion, I'm still bullish on silver and gold. I'm still bullish on the market. I'm not sure where the bottom is going to be, but as of right now, I look at this as a godsend for many people, for many long-term investors. I'm not bearish on gold or silver. Why? Because I think the fundamentals are still correct when it comes to the precious metals, gold and silver. For one, our economy is not doing well. We haven't built our infrastructure. We haven't grown internally. We haven't grown organically. We haven't manufactured. Our manufacturing is dismal. Our exports, we have an export deficit. So we're not really bringing in what we're supposed to bring in. But what we are doing is inflating the government with more paper money. We're trying to print our way out of this, which is as well as devaluating our currency. So yes, the dollar is strong, but only because of that main factor, because we're printing it. That's it. So the fundamentals of gold being a safe haven, which I still believe it is still fundamentally strong for the long term. Now, yes, this is a big sell-off. Have we reached the bottom? I don't think so. I predicted about 2 weeks ago that silver may go to 22, and right now that looks like it's going to happen. How low can gold go? Well, right now gold is at 1355. Can gold go to 1100? Yes, it can. This may be a very interesting week, but me saying that, this is a great buying opportunity. Times like these come very few, where a big sell-off is in this industry for this particular market. So this is a perfect time for people to get in the market, for them to get into the precious metals, for you to buy, for you to get yourself some good silver, some good gold. This is a great opportunity. If you're patient, if you watch the market, it may go lower. Now, mind you, at the same time, this is not going to last. This dip that's we're happening right now, it isn't going to last. So my suggestion, get in. If you go online right now, you go to any of the dealerships, the gold and bullion dealerships, you will see that they'll have a little quotation on top of their site saying, we are experiencing technical difficulties because of the high demand of purchasing. So as of right now, the paper sell-off, the banks are selling off all the paper assets of the gold and SLV, while at the same time they're turning around buying the physical. The physical demand is high because they know that having the physical is their best bet for the future. They know this, so they're liquidating their paper assets. The demand of physical is very it's off the roof. Some of the websites are saying there will be a delay on your shipment. So be vigilant, be patient, watch the market, and I think it's a great time to get in. I really do. I don't think people get into this market right now will look back in a couple of years and say, this was a great time for me to get in. I'm glad I did what I did. I'm glad I purchased. It was an opportunity time to get in. It's always a great time to get in. But now that we're going through these dips, for you physical buyers, this is an ideal moment. I want to take time out as well because today, on Monday, April 15th, there was a big catastrophe happening in Boston Marathon. There was a few big explosions and people got hurt and people got killed. So people at Ormex.com would like to send out our condolences to the friends and family that got hurt through this explosion. All right. So besides that, have a great day. Stay vigilant and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.